Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs on your stove. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need very fresh eggs, a large pot, some white vinegar, and a slotted spoon. Freshness is key for beautiful, compact eggs. Fill your pot with about 4 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. This gentle heat is crucial for the delicate cooking process. Get ready for a delicious breakfast. Now, let's prepare the water and your eggs. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to the gently simmering water. Don't worry, you won't taste it. The vinegar helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain a nice, round shape. Next, crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it much easier to gently slide them into the pot, preventing them from breaking apart. It's time to poach. Carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the simmering water. Be gentle to keep their shape. Cook the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a little longer if you prefer a firmer one. Remember not to overcrowd the pot. Poach 1 to 3 eggs at a time to maintain the water temperature and ensure even cooking. Patience is key here. Your beautiful poached eggs are almost ready. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently dab any excess water with a paper towel to avoid a watery plate. Now, serve them immediately. They are absolutely delicious on a piece of crispy toast, with avocado, or as part of a hearty breakfast. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs, made right on your stove.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.